Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zendesk with Zapier for AI support routing step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Next, open a new tab and navigate to the Zapier website. Once there, log into your Zapier account or create a new one if you don't have an account. After logging in, click on the Make a Zap button to start creating a new automation. In the Trigger app search bar, type Zendesk and select it from the drop-down menu. Choose a trigger event, such as new ticket or updated ticket, based on your needs. Click Continue to proceed with setting up the trigger. Connect your Zendesk account by clicking on Sign in to Zendesk. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier. Once your account is connected, click Continue to test the trigger. After testing, click Continue to move on to the next step. Now, in the Action app search bar, type AI or the specific AI tool you wish to use, such as OpenAI, and select it. Choose your desired action event, like send prompt or create a response, based on what you want to achieve. Click Continue to connect your AI service account. Authorize Zapier to access your AI account by following the prompts. Once connected, fill in the required fields for your AI service, such as the prompt format and any additional parameters. Click Continue to proceed. Test the action to ensure that AI can receive data from Zendesk properly. Once the test is successful, click Continue to finalize the action setup. Next, add another action if you want to route the AI response back to Zendesk. In the Action app search bar, select Zendesk again. Choose an appropriate action event, such as Create Ticket or Update Ticket. Click Continue and connect to your Zendesk account if prompted. Fill in the necessary fields to format how you want the AI response routed back to Zendesk. Click Continue once you've configured everything. Run a test to make sure the entire workflow functions as expected. If everything works correctly, name your Zap at the top. Finally, toggle the Zap to on to activate the integration. Your Zendesk is now connected with Zapier for AI support routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.